morning everyone. I am Sonia Sharma, Faculty Commerce at the Venkateshwara School, Gurgaon. Today I am going to clarify the difference between physical capital and human capital. This is with regard to the country only. Not we are not studying it from the point of view of a company, but this is from the point of view of the country. What is the difference between human capital of a country and physical capital of a country? Now, what physical capital means? Very first, let me clarify you the meaning of the two terms. Physical capital, it is related with the known human assets of a country. Like it could be buildings, it could be land, it could be any other equipment or tools. Okay, but if we talk about human capital, that is related with the skills, expertise, knowledge, talent of the human being in a country. And second difference you can create based upon tangibility. The physical assets, those are tangible. Obviously, those are tangible. We can touch them, we can feel them, we can see them. But about if we talk about human capital, that is intangible in nature. You cannot touch and feel anyone's talent, anyone's knowledge. You can just know. You can get to know that what they have, what skills do they have, what knowledge do they have. If they present their talent in front of you, only then you will be able to get to know about their talent, but you cannot touch, you cannot see it. So it is intangible in nature. Now next difference you can create based upon depreciation. Our knowledge, it increase with time to time. If I implement the concept on myself, then if I compare my knowledge from past period and what I know right now, that there is an appreciation in my knowledge. So skills, expertise, these things never depreciate. These appreciate, these increase, these improve with the passage of time. But if we talk about physical capital, with the usage and with the passage of time, they depreciate. The value of these assets reduces. So physical capital depreciates, but human capital never depreciates. No doubt, with the passage of time, we become old, and one day human being will die. But here we are not talking about the physical structure of a human being, about his age. We are not talking here. We are talking about the knowledge, talent, expertise, and skills. These increase or these improves with the passage of time. With the time we learn many things, so it improves, never depreciate. Second thing is related with separation. We can separate our physical asset from the owner. Like I am the owner of a building, so that building can be separated from me. I can sell that building. Okay, and then that ownership will be transferred to someone else. But if I talk about my skills, my knowledge, my expertise, then I won't be able to sell that to any other person. I can share my knowledge, I can make them learn the thing which I know, but I cannot sell my knowledge to them, because it cannot be separated from me. It will always with me. Whatever I have gained in terms of knowledge, that will always be with me even after sharing with someone else. So human capital, human skills cannot be separated from human being, but physical capital can be separated from human being. Next difference here is based upon mobility. When we talk about the mobility of physical capital from one place to another place, or from one country to another country, there some barriers are there. Those are known as trade barriers. So it reduces, it occurs, the mobility crisis, like problems in mobility of physical goods, it occurs only because of trade barriers. But if we talk about human capital, there this mobility problems in mobility occurs out of nationality and cultural issues. Okay, like if we want to move to some other country, we need some permission from outside, from the government of our country or from the government of their country. Also we have to approve our visas, we have to get passports. There are some problems in that. Okay, but it doesn't mean that we cannot mobile these any of these assets. Physical capital as well as human capital can move from one place to another place, but there are some barriers, and those barriers are of different kinds. Hope that the difference between the two things is clear to you right now. From my side, that's it for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.